I'll make you my priority, 'cause you're one of the minorities.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation. How y'all feeling? Good. As always, before you get to the video, hit the subscribe button. We are slowly but surely on the way to 4K subscribers. We're at like 82 away, I think. So subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, all the good stuff. And today we got a nice little Adidas sneaker unboxing. So I got not one, but 2 boxes for a total of, I think, what, 3 sneakers I got. You know, Adidas had like a crazy sale. So I think I'll just a couple more kicks. You know, we don't need any more sneakers, but I'm sorry. When I see some stuff going sale, I'm like, you know what? I'll dip and dabble and see what we got in here. So got the nice iconic blue boxes. I was always going first. So yeah, of course got the iconic Adidas blue box with the 3 stripes. Shout out to in plastic waist. You know, I know like Adidas been on that wave pretty heavy recently. So what we got here? Oh, okay, nice. So first sneaker we got here is the NMD V3, and I like this shoe actually. Again, you know, simple shoe concept. Got a nice little like the light blue here on the side. It's got like a, I guess, kind of like a, I won't say it's not really, well, it's not really see-through, but it's kind of like a cloud. I forgot the word. I know there's a word for it, but I just can't think of it right now. And then the regular bottom, but I don't know, like I know the NMDs was pretty hyped like early on, but I know they kind of fell out of flavor for a little bit by the sneaker community, but you know, you give them a good price. It's not too bad, not too shabby. Second box here, same thing as the regular blue box in the plastic waist. And what we got here? What we got here? What we got here? Sweet, nice little black and white shoe. The Adidas ZX right there on the tongue. I like the sole though. The sole is really nice. Got like black hair and white everything else. Got the Adidas, obviously. The boost, very soft, of course. And then of course inside you got the, it says the brand with 3 stripes. As we all know, that is Adidas, or Adidas, how you pronounce it. Yeah, good. Regular shoe, simple shoe that, you know, people need that in their collection. Like you need like everyday shoe or shoe to work out in and things like that. So, etc. So that was in box 1. Box 2 is our last shoe. Like I run there too and shoe. I should become a damn rapper. Innate. Ever my plan. And I see like, I'm pretty sure these are pairs I'm looking for the most. If I get them out, please. They're doing tight. But yep. Bam! Got the all, these like the cloud white, but the all white Adidas. I forgot which ones are called though. Oh, these the NMD V3s as well. Dirty. But this clean. All white, like all white shoe. This is a perfect shoe for the spring and summer. It's finally starting to get a little warm outside here in Maryland, so this definitely is a perfect shoe. I see the boost, everything. Yeah, if I say like out of all 3 of the sneakers, this is my favorite pair. I probably go with these. Then I might go with the other MDs and then the white and black pair. That's probably how I rank them. Let me know in the comments what you would rate the shoes. But yeah, definitely can't go wrong with a all white pair or mostly all white pair of shoes. And that's going to conclude my video. This will give like a quick little sneaker unboxing. You know, I just want to get like a pair of sneakers or like some good clothing. They want to show it out to y'all. It wants like on feet of them. Just let me know in the comments. I'll make that like a whole separate either video or a short, whatever, for y'all to see it looking, see how it looks. So, as always, let the video get thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you next time.